From this equation, find out the value of x. First, we take the log both sides. So log x square, log 2x, and this is the log 5, and this term is here. So log 2x, and this is the log x is the log 5, and this log 2x we can write the log 2 plus log x, and this is the log x, and this is the log 5, and we can take this log x, we can take this is the p, and so this is the we can write the log 2, and this is the p, and this is the log p and log p. This is the p and p, this is the p square, and this term is here. So log 5 is equal to 0. So now this is the p square, and plus this is the log 2, this is p, and this is the log 5, 0. And so this formula we can write, this is the a square plus bx c is equal to 0. So a is 1, and b is this, and c is this. So we can write the formula, this p value. So p value we can write the minus this b, so minus log 2, and plus minus root over, so root over this log 2 this square, and minus 4 into this is the a is 1, and c is this log 5, so minus log 5, and 2, and this is the a is 1, and so now we putting the value, so minus this 10 base 2 log value is the minus, and 0.301, and plus minus this root, and so this value is 0.301, this is square, and minus minus this is the plus, so 4, and this log value is, we can write the 0.3699. This is the log value, log 5 value, and this is the 2 into 1, this is the 2, and now we can write this is the minus 0.301 plus minus, and this value is 2.796, this is value 2.796, and this is the, so use the calculator, so we can find out this square, and this we can find out the 2.86601, and this is the 2, and we can write the minus 0.301, and plus minus this is the 1.699, this root, and divide these two, so we get this value we get. So first this plus, so this p1, so if this plus, so this value is 0.699, and this minus and minus this, so this is the, we can write P2 is the, if this is minus and minus take, so this is the -1. And now first we can write this is the log x, and this p value is this, so you can write 0.699, and this p value is log 10 base 5, and so this is the log x, so we can write the x value is 5. So from here this x1 is 5, and this put is here this value, so log x, and put the, this value is -1, and this is the, if 10 to base is 10, so you can write the x is equal to -1, so x2 value is this and x1 is value is this, so x value is this or this. So thanks for watching the video. Thank you.